Hi, it's Tommy Stewart. I'm talking about some software called 5iphon Reloaded, but the S is a 5, so it's 5iphon Reloaded. We get some crazy names here, don't we? This has been put together, or rather it's been revamped. It's been out once before this, and it's been taken apart and put together again by a guy called Brian Winters. And for the small sum of $20, you can earn yourself $11,244 in 30 days, as it says there. Anyway, he says that's what he earned, and now it's your turn. Look at you. He says make up to $277 per click and qualify for thousands in JV prizes with 5iphon Reloaded Pro. This is a powerful online income system featuring a unique built-in viral funnel that forwards unlimited subscribers and affiliate commissions to its users. Make over $11,000 profit in 30 days flat. Can't be bad, can it? He says he needed the cash fast because he was ordered to pay $5,000 per month in alimony, or as he calls it, all my money. We've all been there. Well, lots of us have. I have. Not very nice, but there you go. I needed some cash and I needed it fast. He knew that blasting out emails to a list of subscribers was the best and easiest way of making money fast. But, as he says in here, he had neglected his list badly, and he didn't know a way of putting a list together really fast, which is what was necessary. But apparently he sat down, gave it a bit of thought, and came up with this, which works. Make up to, what does it say here? Make up to $277 per click and qualify for thousands in JV prizes. 5iphon Reloaded Pro is a powerful online income system featuring a unique built-in viral funnel that forwards unlimited subscribers and affiliate commissions to its user on autopilot. Our offer is jam-packed with testimonials, and there are a lot of testimonials, by the way, that I've seen, but I've only put 4 into this message to you, but when I'm finished you can click on and go and have a look at the other testimonials if you like. And they made $11,000 in the 30 days. Keeps on saying flat, doesn't it? Here we are. 30 money back guarantee. Secure order 24/7. Alright, okay. 60 seconds to set it up. Runs on 99% autopilot. 100% beginner friendly. So it's easy for newbies. Website and hosting included. Same day income potential. Scale up fast. And 100% free viral traffic built in. Nothing for you to do really, but just count the money. Charlie the Skeptic. This in fact is a video. Charlie is the man that you see at the bottom right hand side of the picture here. And he tells you as to how he made his money using this system. How one email created $3,896 in recurring commissions for him. A guy by the name of Charlie was skeptical of 5iphon. He felt it was hyped up, but I convinced him to give it a try. Anyhow, I think he could sense my excitement. In Charlie's case, a single email is all it took to jumpstart 5iphon's viral system, and just a few days and he had already made close to 4,000 profit. Here he is again. 30 days later, Charlie was exactly $11,244 richer. Nice one, Charlie. It didn't take long for word about 5iphon to spread. People began posting their results all over the web. Guys and girls gone wild over 5iphon. These are the testimonials. Top List Builder, a guy who's called Top List Builder. You can see him on YouTube if you go in there. Have to give Brian kudos for this one. You rock, dude. Best system for exploding a list that I've seen in 2+ years in IM. Lol, love the newbie video you added. That's what woke me up. Oh yeah. Well, BR, I've gone from super skeptic to real fan of this product. It's refreshing to see something working so well and doing exactly what it says on the tin. Nice work, Brian. 2 more there. There's Gabriel Johansson. This system rocks, baby. I actually gained 3 subscribers by doing nothing. Doesn't sound like a lot, but just proof it works. JT Martin, 5iphon rocks. I have been using it for several days now and have some awesome results. As of right now, I have personally referred 492 and have a total of 720 due to send 5 systems. That's about 32% extra subscribers for Nadal, whoever Nadal is. There you are. Your 5iphon, we've got a name now, website is guaranteed to suck. That is to say, it's guaranteed to suck in unlimited fresh leads and $10 to $300 per sale in 3 super easy steps. There you are. Step 1, enter your money link and all systems are go. Step 2, jumpstart 5iphon's built-in free viral traffic engine by initially sharing your website link with others. 0 selling involved. Sit back as 5iphon takes over on autopilot, sending you unlimited leads and up to $3,000 per day. Now here we are. This is a very, very interesting bit, because this is a money-back guarantee, which I thought I would show you, because you pay $30 to rake in hundreds of dollars per day or per week, and if it doesn't, you get your money back in 30 days. So it's a win-win. You can't lose, and these guys can't cheat you. If you say you want your money back, they've got to do it. If they don't, they get stopped from advertising any other future stuff on the internet. So this is good. It's good to see a money back guarantee. The only risk here is not taking action with 5iphon Reloaded. Click below the add to cart button to get started. Right, there you are, money back guarantee. So there you have it. As easy as 1, 2, 3, or your money back. I think we should, that's you and I, we should both give it a bash, because with a 30-day money back guarantee, we've got nothing to lose. and it doesn't do if it doesn't do the business. So, please, before you rush off, by the way, to buy this package, click the subscribe button on the bottom right of this video. Bottom and right. I don't know which is right when you're over there, because I need your support. If you look on the left below this video, you will see my my link, my URL. If you click it, you will be taken to where you can buy this software, and also to where you can see what I've told you about, ask any questions which maybe I didn't cover, and have a bash at it. I mean, like I say, you've got nothing to lose. You put $20 on the line, just do the 1, 2, 3 as per your instructions, and if it doesn't do the job for you, just grab your money back. I've done that many a time, got my money back. I've never had anyone complain. I've never had anyone give me a guarantee of money back and not giving them back. They all have to give you your money back. So give it a try. Give it a try. You got, as I say, nothing to lose. Well, that's it for me then. I wish you adieu, and I'll speak to you another time. Bye bye.